Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can underline text in Microsoft Excel. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here. To underline text, let's say we have all this. So let's say I want to underline this text. Just select the cell where the text that you want to underline are. So you select that and then just make sure you're on your home tab, and then you can create on this U right here. So and then once you click, you'll see it's underlined right there. Right, so that's how you can underline your text, and then you can give it a different underlines. Right, so let's say you want to underline that, click on that and then come to this, and then you have that double underline right there. So everything is just on this right here, on this underline right there. So yeah, that's how you can underline text in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, it's really simple. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.